OPPO Malaysia has just launched the OPPO Reno3 and in less than a month, OPPO released another new smartphone, the OPPO Reno3 Pro. Thanks to OPPO Malaysia, we got this device earlier to do a quick unboxing and first looks to share with you guys. Here's the box of the Reno3 Pro. Let's leave off the box. First is a white box that keeps the same ejector tools, some documents and a TPU case. Here's the Reno3 Pro. The plastic cover lists the features of the device like 44 megapixel dual hole punch selfie cameras, 64 megapixel AI quad cameras which support 108 megapixel photo shootings, a 6.4-inch AMOLED display and 30-watt Volt flash charge 4.0. Next is the Volt flash charge 3.0 power bricks, USB Type-A to Type-C cables and wired earphone. The OPPO Reno3 Pro is the first smartphone to be powered by MediaTek Helio P95 coupled with 8GB of RAM and a generous 256GB storage. On the rear are quad 64 megapixel AI cameras, and the main camera is capable to shoot up to 108 megapixel photos. It assists by a 30 megapixel two-type optical telephotos, an 8 megapixel ultra-wide angles, and a depth sensor. The camera is capable to have 5x lossless hybrid zoom and up to 20x digital zoom. The camera also supports Ultra Steady Pro video recording that's impressively good. Here are some photos and video samples that we took with the device. It sports a 6.4-inch Samsung AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and features an in-display fingerprint scanner. The top right corner is a 44 megapixel dual hole punch camera with depth sensor. The selfie camera is sharp and detailed but lacking of autofocus. Keeping the light on is a 4025 mAh battery that supports 30-watt Volt flash charge 4.0 that can top up the device up to 50% in less than 20 minutes. The OPPO Reno3 Pro is a mid-range powered smartphone that has a great camera capabilities. The 108 megapixel does sound gimmicky, but the zooming detail does impress us. That's our first look of the OPPO Reno3 Pro. The pricing and availability will be in the link description below. What do you think about the Reno3 Pro? Do leave your comment down below. Do give us a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to YouTube channels and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.